Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to install the window actuator on the driver's side door of a Ford Falcon. Now prior to filming this video, I removed the old broken actuator and the door trim. I didn't film this, but there's a user named Adam May, I think, who shows you how to do this, and I'll link you his video in the description. Got this actuator new off eBay. It was about 60 bucks. These newer ones are bolt-in, so you got a bolt there, there, and then these three there. On the door, they bolt in here and here, and here and here, and then the three bolt there. So I'll show you how to install that. Also worth mentioning at this point that I've got the window back in. I took it out when I took the actuator out, and I've just taped it in, so it's just hanging there at the moment in the tracks. Right, so now the bolts are, I did put a little bit of grease on the bolts, and yeah, just use the 10mm ratchet to tighten them up nice and tight, because you don't want it moving at all. There's three cables that you need to remember to connect. This one powers the actuator, so this is the most important one. These two, this one powers the buttons for the windows, and this one powers the power mirrors, but they've got to be worried about when you're putting the door trim back on, so we'll worry about them later. Now I just slid down the window to clip it in there. These clips are already on the window. And I've just hooked up the buttons just to test it out, so make sure it's going up and down alright. Beauty. Just a matter of getting all this stuff back on. I'll start with the window trimmings. Yeah, so the inside one just slides in, real easy, just along there. The outside one you got to slide in under there and then clip it down along like that. That's pretty sweet. This door foam sort of just sits there. It was connected around the speaker, but I tore it off to get it out. So I'm just going to use this glue gun to hold it on again. So I put on the door foam, and I've just put on the door trim too. That was actually surprisingly super easy. You just pop the rivets back in. Don't forget to put this bit on and also clip in this first. You can't do it once it's on. And yeah, now it's just putting on the last few things and we'll be done. So yeah, that's that. How to change the window actuator on a BA Ford Falcon. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like.